Alright, this is titanium anodization. We are going to put voltage through this little piece of titanium. We've got a cathode on one end, the spoon, and the anode on this end. We have been using a series of washes. The first one is Wink's Rust Remover, which is acid. The next one is a glass cleaner, just Windex or whatever. Regular distilled water, that'll help stop any kind of reactions. And then this tub is distilled water plus baking soda. And this cool little guy right here is basically a voltage regulator. It's a step-up booster. So we can take voltage from the 6S battery and boost it up to whatever we want. I want to say it starts out at the 25 volts that this battery produces, so it'll turn blue like as soon as we turn it on, and then I'm going to crank it all the way up to green, which is like 105 volts, and we'll see a pretty dramatic change. Hopefully you guys can see the color. Oh, I'm going to turn off this. Now that I'm done talking, I'm going to turn off that power supply so you won't hear that noise. Alright, here we go. So it's going to turn blue real fast. And it's done. And you can kind of see on the left side there's some areas that aren't perfectly clean, and so they're going to stay kind of a gray color because they've got oils or whatever on them. Those are imperfections. And then we're going to get pretty darn close to our voltage. We'll try 105 volts. And are you ready? Here it goes. And that's it. I'm going to rinse it off real quick just to stop what it's doing. But now we've got this kind of mint green. I don't know if you can see that or not. Alright, so we're about to do the same thing. This time we've got a piece of titanium frame from my rooster. So we're rinsing it off in regular water. We'll take it over here to the Windex, which is basically a degreaser. Take any kind of oils off of it. And I'm probably not getting this nearly fucking clean enough. I'll rinse it off in distilled water one more time. And then here comes the bubbles. This is going to strip off anything on it. And not actually, no, here it goes. That's probably about long enough. Back to distilled water, stops the reaction. Looks like it did get some more gunk off of it. And now we're going to mount this guy right there. Alright, so as soon as we turn this on, we should see it turn blue. That's the 25 volts from the 6S battery. And while that's happening, we're going to go all the way up to 105. So pretty. I'm feeling this is going to take quite a bit longer since this is such a big piece. Alright, so here goes full voltage. We're going up to 105. Get ready for the color change. Oh, that is perfect. Oh, just what I wanted. Alright, next piece. I've already scrubbed the shit out of these with acetone. You see the fingernail polish remover right there. But this last rinse is just purely to get rid of the oils from your fingers. And then we'll come over here to the acid etch. Oh, there's no voltage here. This is just acid burning. Back to the water, stops the reaction. Ugh. Acid is nasty shit, dude. When we plug this guy in, it should go right up to blue, and then we're going to crank it all the way to, let's try 104. Voltage. By the way, the Spork, not titanium.